Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if auto brightness is not working on your Samsung Galaxy A3. If your auto brightness is not working, the first thing you want to try is to check if it's actually turned on. To do so, go into Settings, Display, and in here make sure auto brightness is turned on. If it is turned on but still does not work, try turning it off and then back on again. However, if this fails, the next thing you could try is to clean the ambient light sensors, which is usually around the front camera. In this phone, I'm fairly sure it's either one of these two. You want to clean around this area, or preferably clean the whole screen. If this still doesn't help, try going into Settings, scrolling down to System Update, and in here click Download Updates manually. In here it will check if you have any updates that need to be done. It's always a good idea to be up to date on the system. Next thing you could try if this still fails is to try to reset settings. Unfortunately, you cannot reset display settings by themselves, so you will have to reset all the settings. You do it in there, just reset settings. It will restart your device, as it says, or at least try to restart. Yes, it will restart. Restarting may take a little while, so once your phone starts back up, if it still has a problem with auto brightness not working, you could potentially try to go into safe mode to rule out any third-party apps interfering with your auto brightness. To do so, you can try to restart your phone, and then once it starts turning back on, you want to press and hold the volume down button. This will allow you to boot into safe mode. Just keep on holding it and don't let it go, and it will boot you into safe mode. Here you can just get into your phone. Once in safe mode, if your issue still persists, that might mean that there is some problem with the sensor as a whole, and you might have to take it to a service station in order to have it looked at. To exit safe mode, you can simply restart your phone. Now, if this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.